How to become a software developer without a degree? You can become a software developer without spending 4 years for a degree. Also, you can become a software engineer while you have a different background from any field other than computer science. Hello everyone, Sufyan here. I am a web developer who has 5+ years of professional experience in the field. You can become a software developer without having a degree in computer science field. I am not saying that to leave your degree or not disappointing you. The degree is a plus point and you should get the degree. But if you are a student of computer science, then continue your education. It is a plus point to have a degree. But please don't wait for your degree. Don't wait for 4 years to get a job or to earn income from freelancing. You can become a software developer by a self-taught and earn income through your code. Companies are willing to pay them who are able to solve their problems and who are able to code their client projects. The second option is freelancing. There are many amazing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, TopTal and Codable, where you can earn a really good income if you really have good skills. Let me show you the path. There are many popular programming languages: Java, Python, PHP, React.js, C#, Objective-C, etc. Each language has its own domain and purpose. But the good part is that if you become an expert of any one programming language, it is very easy for you to switch on any domain and any programming language, because you will know how to program and you will have a broader knowledge that what's going on behind the scenes. And for good software developer, you should also know front-end part, so it would be a good point also to know some sort of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And the most important thing is the database. Data is the main factor for the companies like Facebook have huge data, Amazon, etc. Database is the place where you save the data of your site by the helping of your chosen programming language and SQL language. SQL is basically not a programming language, it is the primary language used to interact with database. Let me clear you more. You just need to search on Google and YouTube. Learn PHP, learn Python, PHP tutorials or Python tutorials for a beginner. And you will get an amazing list of tutorials from experts. You just need to be consistent and do your best every day to learn from these tutorials. For example, if you give 6 hours daily, dedicatedly, you are able to finish any tutorial with practice within less than 2 weeks. And after finishing all tutorials of PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and MySQL, develop any project by yourself for your portfolio. For example, you can develop an online e-commerce website, booking system for barber or beauty parlor. Just look around yourself and develop what you love and add it in your portfolio and apply for a job. With your portfolio and CV, you will definitely get the job if you really did all the stuff and put your badass hard work. It will take 3-5 months to do with any one programming language, HTML, CSS and database, and develop a good big project by yourself if you really put some seriously hard work. But if you are doing a job or you are a student, then maybe you are not able to give 6-8 hours daily. So don't worry, just give how much time you can give and you are on the right track. Also don't worry please if it takes more than 3-5 months. For some people it may take 6 months, 8 months or even a year. Depends on the situation they are. But put your best and ask yourself what you want and what your goals, and make some hard effort to get it done. Thank you for watching. If you like, please share this video with your friends. Share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe my YouTube channel for more content like this.